the storm, through the night. Lead me on the night. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me home. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me on, help me stand. I am tired, I am weak, I am worn. Through the storm, through the night, lead me on, through the light. Precious Lord, my hand, lead me home. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me on, help me stand. I am tired, I am weak, I am worn. Through the storm, precious Lord, take my hand, lead me home. When my way grows drear, precious Lord, linger near. When my life is almost gone, hear my cry, hear my call. Take my hand, lest I fall. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me home. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me on, help me stand. I am tired, I am weak, I am worn. Through the storm, through the night, lead me on to the light. Precious Lord, take my hand, lead me home. My shepherd will supply my need. Jehovah is his name. In pastures fresh, he makes me feed beside living stream. He brings my wandering spirit back when I forsake his way, and leads me for his mercy's sake. Paths of truth and grace. When I walk through the shades of death, thy presence is my stay. One word, thy supporting breath, drives all my fears away. Thy hand in sight, all my foes, doth still my table spread. My cup of blessings overflows. Thy oil anoints my head. The sure provisions of my God, tend me all my days. Oh, may thy house be my abode, and all my work be praise. There would I find a settled rest, while others go and come. No more stranger nor guest, like your child.